Hello everyone, we'll begin gluing the wings. First, remove the plastic parts from the wing root, apply adhesive to the contact surfaces, and then press them firmly.
Bonding nylon studs to the junction box housing. Bonding nylon studs to the servo housing and servo mounting plate. Adhesive aileron rudder angle and hinge. Use a knife to make a slit in the aileron control surface. Apply reinforcing film to the rotor section of the wing. Locate the opening and cut open the reinforcing membrane. Pre-install the motor mount and draw the cutting path. Cut the reinforcing membrane along the trajectory. The wing motor mount was glued in place.